Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to watch how to apply for a tourist visa to travel to Bulgaria. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor am I a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So alright guys, so let's proceed. So Bulgaria, a country in Eastern European region, is a very popular tourist destination, no doubt. And in order to apply for the visa, I have opened this Ministry of Foreign Affairs site. So you see, they have given like information. Now, Bulgaria is in process to join the Schengen area, but as of now, it hasn't joined. So if you have a Schengen visa, you may still stay over there because they have given for a visa-free regime for holders of Schengen visa for stay up to 90 days. Okay, they are giving it to you. So if you have it, you don't need to worry about. And again, on this page, you can see the other requirements as well. Okay. And they have also for valid visas. Okay. For Romania, Cyprus, and Croatia. So they are doing it like that. All right. But still, like if you, let's say you are from a country outside of European zone, let's say you're from India and you want to visit Bulgaria and you don't have a Schengen visa, what you can do, you can apply for the visa, right? So how it goes through, like they have a visa application form over there and they have clearly said that they have outsourced it to VFS Global Company, VFS Global, and they have like based on your country, they have other information too. Okay, so let's say from you are from India, so you will go for VFS India for Bulgaria, and you reach here on this site. The first link is apply for identify the visa type. So we'll go through it. So let's say you want to go for tourism. Okay, so we know what it is, right? Even they have said that check first you need visa or not. All right. So let's say you have gone through it, you have gone through the links, and now you are sure that you need a visa. Then the next thing is like visa fee, how much it's gonna cost. So for an Indian citizen in India, again, you need to check it based on your location. It's gonna cost 7,600 Indian rupees. Of course, this is gonna be the visa fee, but like VFS fee will be charged as well. So on top of it, you can see their breakup. Okay. And 12 years and below are not required to pay visa fee. Okay, perfect. All right. Documents that you need. So checklist for tourist visa. All right. Application form, passport, one photograph, proof of residence, travel, medical insurance. I see this in almost all European countries, and in fact, many other countries as well. Cover letter, means of transportation, means of accommodation, proof of current social and professional status, proof of sufficient fund. This is very important. And especially those who apply from India, this requirement is asked in income tax, ITR, income tax return. For minors, there are other requirements, copy of current passport. Okay. All right. And there are some other criteria also that you can go through. Okay. Fine. Photo specification is given here. Given here, fee we have gone. Processing time around 15 working days. It may take even longer and they may even ask for additional documents and uh, even more than that if they feel. Now let's go through the application form. So this place is for the photo, surname, earlier family names, surname at birth if applicable, first name, date of birth. They have given the format, so maintain that. Nationality, if any, place and country of birth. Make sure these things you put as per your passport, place and country of birth. Otherwise, like people end up in some issues later on. Citizenships, if you are an Indian citizen, then there's gonna be only one because India does not support dual nationality. Previous citizenship, if any, father's name, mother's name, okay. Type of transport. So this is like your document basically. that you're gonna select. Passport details, make sure you verify it. Current occupation, employer details. So there is nothing like as of now, everything is pretty simple. Other Bulgarian visas and their periods of validity if you have got in past. Travel abroad in past 5 years. Purpose of travel, do you have tourism and other things? Date of arrival, date of departure, border of first entry or transit route, means of transport, details of host person, organization, or hotel where you're gonna stay, means of support during your stay, how you're gonna support yourself, spouse, family, spouse details they have asked, children details they have asked, again, if applicable, and then signature. Okay, that's okay. So the form is also not complicated, and this section is for visa issuing authority only. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and please provide your detailed feedback. Now, okay, one more thing I think I should say. Once you are done through this, like you have all the documents, then you need to book an appointment, pay your fee, visit. And if you remember in the checklist, they have written like first visa needs to be applied in person as of now. Then you can schedule an appointment with VFS and go for it. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.